Now let us explore further. This compound has CH4 functional group. Anything that has CH4 functional group is called aldehyde, and this compound also has CH4 functional group, only one carbon, so it is called meth because one carbon on al. Name is ending with al. Methanal. Common name is formaldehyde. IUPAC name methanal. This compound has two carbons, so it is ethanal. Common name is acetaldehyde. Name ends with al, al, al. Look at this compound. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. So it is hexanal. Look at this compound, very crazy. It has a aldehyde group and a COOH group. If it has two functional groups, name ends with most important functional group. I already said carboxylic acid is most important. So definitely it has 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So it is butanoic acid. In this butanoic acid, now CHO came afresh, extra. When CHO became less important, if it is coming extra, it is not called as Al. No, you don't use Al. You call it as formyl. You call it as formyl. So it is butanoic acid. In the third position there is formyl. So I call it as 3-formyl butanoic acid. That's the name. 3-formyl butanoic acid. Can we see that really? Now let us see next compound. This compound is having C double bond O, but C double bond O is not linked to hydrogen like in aldehyde. In aldehyde, C double bond O is linked to at least one hydrogen. Then that is aldehyde. Here C double bond O is linked to carbons on both sides. It is called ketone. Because it has 3 carbons prop, it is propanone. Propanone is commonly known as nail polish remover or acetone. Propanone means ketone. Sir, look at this compound. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. So it is heptone. On the fourth position there is C double bond O. So it is called 4-heptanone. Suppose if double bond O is here, it could have been 2-heptanone. If the double bond O is here, it could have been 3-heptanone. If the double bond is here, it is called 4-heptanone. Suppose if the double bond O is here, I will count from this side, it will become again 3-heptanone. So depending on the position of C double bond O, I should say. For aldehyde, position C of CHO is not necessarily specified because generally if CHO is most important functional group, it is always number 1. It is terminal functional group like COOH. So we don't have to specify the position of CHO in any aldehyde, but in ketone we have to specify the position of double bond O if the other possibilities are there. Therefore, it is having 7 carbons, so hept. Between carbons there are single bonds heptone, 4-one because on the fourth position there is keto group. Let us look at these ideas. Okay, sir? Now further, what is the name of this compound? This compound has OH group. Compounds which have OH group are called alcohols. Compounds which have OH group are called alcohols. This is the simplest alcohol called methanol. IUPAC name is methanol. Methanol. Common name is methyl alcohol. If you have like this, it is called, it has 2 carbons, so it is ethanol. Suppose if you are writing like this, it has 3 carbons, so it is propanol 2 because on the second position there is OH. It can be also called as 2-propanol. If you want to have more style, you can call it as propan 2-ol. So alcohol position functional group ol can be specified at the end or in the intermediate position or in the beginning your wish. For example, you want to try to name this compound. This compound has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. So it is hex on 2-ol, hexan 2-ol or hexanol 2 or 2-hexanol. Suppose the same compound has two OH groups, then I call it as hexan 2,3-diol. Hexan 2,3-diol. Can you see that? Sir, there is a special name for a compound like this. Propan 1,2,3-triol. Propan 1,2,3-triol, commonly known as glycerol. If you have any white ulcers in the mouth, glycerol is a wonderful medicine. It is sweet in taste. Similarly, there is another compound. If you have two OH groups on adjacent carbons like this, it is called eth because two carbons, ethan 1,2-diol. Ethan 1,2-diol is commonly called as ethylene glycol. Okay, sir? Now,